day make or break it. That is why values such as empathy, respect, and responsibility are more important today than it was ever before. At Pallavi, we believe education is not only about academic excellence, it is also about shaping individuals who are thoughtful, compassionate, and responsible citizens. Remember that you do not have to wait until you become adults to make a difference. The way you include a new classmate, resolve a disagreement, appreciate another's success, give your shoulder when someone fails, or stand up for someone else who needs that support when it is the time. These are all the acts of peace. Glow Peace is not just an event on a school calendar. It is a reminder of the kind of school we want to build and the kind of society we hope you will create. I would like to thank our teachers and everyone who has worked tirelessly to make this celebration possible. I extend my gratitude to our chairman, Sri Malka Kumaraya Garu, our CEO, Yashasvi Malka, the management joint secretary, Mr. Zohair, and the management members, my parents, and all the faculty members for being with us in oneness for unity and peace. As we begin today's program, let's promise to spread that understanding instead of misunderstanding, hope instead of fear, and peace instead of division becomes our virtue and character. Thank you and wish you all a wonderful Glow Peace celebration.
Because of my actions, your actions, or my country's actions. For we are a country that did not just rise out of tyranny from independence but maintained it for more than 70 years. So I say proudly, similar to what Martin Luther King Jr. said, that I have a dream. But my dream is different. My dream is to have the world understand peace. Not just peace, the Indian way of peace. As our respected principal ma'am said, the peace of compassion, the peace of kindness. Thank you. Jai Hind.
The war which creates peacelessness when it is born in the minds of the people. So we believe that even peace also can be generated or born in the minds of the people. So I heartfully appreciate on behalf of Brahma Kumaris, our Pallavi schools, to take up this project. What is the project name? Very beautiful it is. Glow Peace, not glow face. These days people are more conscious about glowing their faces, going to beauty parlors. But this is temporary, when you sit long time for the sunlight, then the glow goes away. But when you glow your peace means it is glowing your minds, glowing your peace, glowing your soul. And this is eternal, permanent, once you polish it, once you glow your mind, glow your soul, so this always remain with you, and even if you give up your body and it continues forward, move forward along with you in the next life also. So it is a beautiful project. We heartfully appreciate the Pallavi schools, group of Pallavi schools, and we are really enjoying, these celebrations everywhere. In even Malakpet near also, Saidabad and Nagarkul, 4,000 students were there. So other sisters went there. So it is beautiful now, and to when there is peace in every individual's mind, then only we can establish peace in the world. But it should begin with every individual. This is the purpose, I think, that in these tender minds, then this seed is sown, if we can be peaceful in our minds, then we become the ambassador of peace to spread all over the world. So the Brahma Kumaris also, we are the leaders, we are the ambassadors, and we are in 140 countries. every Brahma Kumar and Brahma Kumari sisters, we are working for this cause to establish peace in the world. For that, we need to be peaceful at our mind. So for this, I'll tell you a beautiful tool, to reach to your mind and to teach to your mind and to do this exercise every day in your mind, that how to be peaceful, how to be calm, how to be still in the crisis. When there is crisis, when there is turmoil, and when there is tension in the exam, but still how you should maintain that peace and calm state of mind, stillness. There's a beautiful tool we have in Raj Yoga meditation, Brahma Kumaris, which we teach. So that tool is, because the peace is the quality of our soul, not the body. It's that peace of mind, not peace of body. मन की शांति बोलते हैं, तन की शांति नहीं बोलते हम। आत्मा के लिए शांति दान करते हम। कोई अगर शरीर छोड़ता है तो तन के लिए शांति दान नहीं करते हम, बिकॉज इट इज द क्वालिटी ऑफ innate quality of our soul, innate quality of our mind. It should be generated from within. So every day we need to recharge this. In the meditation, it is a charging process. As we charge our mobiles, every day you need to charge your mind. If you want to be a brilliant student, in the Pallavi schools, all over India, you need to charge your mind every day. Are you going to do this? So this is the purpose, when you do this, so really you shine like a brilliant star in the world. Then our purpose is to make this India as a Vishwa Guru. Our Bharat should become a Vishwa Guru in near future. When it happens, when we becomes ambassador of peace, not the ambassador of wars. Isn't it? So shall we take up all this?
Yes, ma'am.
Purpose to live in this world is not only just, as madam said, that not for the education. The education means to induce, bring out the perfection which is already there in man. So this perfection is already there. So for that, a beautiful tool we have in meditation. And that is, so what in geometry, there is a form which does not have any dimensions, but every dimension will start with that. What is that? Dot. Dot has no dimensions, but every dimension will start with that dot. So in the same way, our innate self, higher self, divine self is also a dot, means a point. But it is not a simply dark point. But also in the drawing, there is a beautiful color. Very easiest color is to draw. In the VBGR 7 colors, what is the easiest color to draw? Nothing but white. So this light is also the color white. The point of light, the soul, our divine self, is a point, but it's a point of light. ज्योति बिंदु है वो, आत्मा एक सितारा है, भ्रुकुटी के बीच में चमकता हुआ अजब सितारा कहते हैं. देयर शाइन्स ए ब्रिलियंट स्टार बोलते हैं आत्मा को. सो यू मस्ट विजुअलाइज दैट योर हाईएस्ट सेल्फ इज ऑलवेज, इट इज पीसफुल ओनली.
Peace in my thoughts and actions. I will treat every person in diversity, hatred and violence. I will care.
Om Shanti Om. I'm a peaceful soul. ये ध्वनि मंगल ध्वनि है. ओम शांति ओम. This sound is a sacred sound. ओम शांति ओम. बड़ा ही सुख कर ये मंत्र मन हर. ओम शांति ओम. This great mantra brings such happiness that surrounds the soul. Om Shanti Om. peaceful soul. Om Shanti Om. I'm a peaceful soul. I'm a peaceful soul.